Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Chimatis Calculus Clinic, C-Cube. One of my online students from Yabatech, Lagos State, sent this question to me, sent this problem to me. So I decided to solve it here, to solve it on this platform. The question says, if y equals to tan x, show that dy dx equals to sec square x. Wow. Now let's try it. Solution. Note that tan x, note that tan x is the same as sin x divided by cos x. According to one of the trig identities, trigonometric identities, according to one of them, that tan x is the same as sin x over what? Cos x. That is, y is sin x divided by what? Cos x. We've transformed tan x to what? Sin x divided by cos x, since they are the same according to what? One of the trig identities. Now, how are we going to differentiate this? In this case, when you have a function in quotient form, in fractional form, you apply one of the rules of differentiation called quotient rule. Quotient rule. Quotient rule. Quotient rule says that if y equals to u of x divided by v of x, where u of x and v of x are differentiable functions, so dy dx is equal to what? V du dx minus u dv dx, everything divided by v squared. What again? Now let's proceed. What is our u? Our u here is sin x. U equals to sin x. Du dx is what? Cos x. Now v is what? Cos x. Dv dx is what? Minus sin x. Good. Now we've gotten our du dx, dv dx. Let's log them in the principle, in the model, in the relation, in the rule, in the equation. Now let's go. Now what are we going to do here? Our v is what? V is cos x. Du dx is what? Du dx is also what? Du dx is also cos x. Yes. Minus, what is our u? Our u is sin x. Good. And the v dx is what? The v dx is minus sin x. Everything divided by what? What is v? V is cos x, but they said v squared. That is cos x squared. Cos x times cos x is what? Cos square x. Please, when you multiply cos x by cos x, it is not cos x squared. It is cos square x. Yes, but ordinarily, y times y is y squared. X times x is x squared. But cos x times cos x is not cos square x. Rather, is not cos x squared. Rather, cos square x. So here, minus times minus is plus. Sin x times sin x is sin square x. Sin square x, not sin x squared. Sin square x. Everything divided by what? Cos square x. Good. Let's continue. Let me clean this side. Note, another trig identity says that sin x squared plus cos square sine square x plus cos square x is the same as what? 1. Is one of the trig identities that sine square x plus cos square x equals to what? 1. So here is now what? 1. 1 divided by what? Cos square x. Yes. There is also another identity that says that 1 over cos x is the same as what? The same as sec x. What do I mean by sec x? Secant. Remember, we have 6 trig functions. We have 6 trig functions. Sin x or sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Did you get it now? So this one is sec theta, meaning what? Secant. Cot is what? Cotangent. Let me write them down. Secant, cotangent, and cosecant. Remember, we have sine, cosine, and tangent. These are 6 of them. So reciprocal of cos will give you secant. Reciprocal, that is 1 over cos sine, will give you secant. Now 1 over what? 1 over tangent will give you cotangent. 1 over sine will give you what? Cosecant. How do you remember this so that you will not forget it? Look at it. The first 3 letters now. Let the first letter be 1. Second letter over. The third letter is now what? C. C for cosine. Do the same here. The first 3 letters. First letter stands for 1. Second letter stands for over. That is divided by. Now third letter stands for what? Tangent. T for tangent. Now look at this now. I'm giving you the best acronym you can use to remember this without cramming it. Now look at this. The first 3 letters. First letter C is 1. Use it as your 1. Second letter is over. O for over. Now third letter is what? Sine. You remember all this. I know you know these ones. Good. Now let's proceed. 1 over what? 1 over cos x is the same thing as what? Sec x. But 1 over cos square x is the same as 1 over what? Cos x times 1 over cos x. And this is the same thing as what? Sec x times sec x, which is what? Sec square x. Therefore, dy dx is equal to what? Sec square x. Shown. Shown, because they said we should show. We've shown it here. Thank you so much.